At a time of violence and uncertainty, the death of these great sons of the judiciary holds lessons for us. If they could die, we should remember that we too shall die. If at death they took nothing with them, we should realize that at death we too shall take nothing with us. If they stand in judgment now, we too should realize that a day is coming when we too shall be called to account. If whatever they owned in their lifetimes are of no account now, let us realize that the things we are sacrificing everything to acquire now shall equally be of no account when the time comes for us to give account of our stewardship. As a nation, we have been caught in one long, great midnight. Even then, we should not despair. The Lord will save us. The Lord will save an afflicted nation. He will light our candle. The Lord will enlighten our darkness. He will deliver the nation from violence and uncertainty. It shall be with us as it was with ancient Ethiopia. This nation shall, sooner than later, raise her hands to the Lord. It is with that hope, it is with that conviction that we live. And so, whatever misgivings we have, we should not resort to desperate methods. Those who have taken up arms should please lay them down.